In the Guaraní land, the heart beats loud and strong. Albirroja gets ready with faith and passion long. With Gustavo Alfaro leading, dreams begin to grow. The hope of the nation starts to roar and glow. Let's go Paraguay, journey to the World Cup. With spirit, courage and strength that won't let up. Miguel Almirón dances with the ball in play. Glory awaits us in 2026, hooray! The backstand from Balbuena and Gustavo Gomez, Alderete and Junior Alonso defenders everyone knows. Olveira and Coronel, guardians of the faithful goal. Velasquez and Espinosa, walls with the laurel. So let's go Paraguay, journey to the World Cup. With spirit, courage and strength that won't let up. Miguel Almirón dances with the ball in play. Glory awaits us in 2026, hooray! Midfield shine Villa Santi and Cubas, Galarza, Bobadilla and Ojeda never lose their cause. Richard Sanchez and Diego Gomez, national pride. With Guaraní blood, anything's possible on our side. Up Franco, Sanabria, Sosa and Barreiro, Romero, Gamarra and Avalos, true warriors we know. Alex Arti brings grit, passion and skill to impress. With united Albirroja, we'll conquer sadness, no less. Let's go Paraguay, journey to the World Cup. With spirit, courage and strength that won't let up. Miguel Almirón dances with the ball in play. Glory awaits us in 2026, hooray!